Be ready? 5 seconds to go. Start. The revision is filed against the conviction and sentence recorded against the revision petitioner in criminal complaint number 71 of 1996 dated 7 April 1988 on the file of 5 Metropolitan Magistrate Vijayawada, which was confirmed in criminal appeal number 56 of 1998 dated 2nd January 2003 on the file of 7 additional sessions judge fast track court Krishna at Vijayawada stop. The relevant facts in brief are as follows. Stop. The Sub Inspector of Police 1 Traffic Police Station Vijayawada filed this case against the revision petitioner accused alleging that on 6 March 1996 at about 5:10 p.m. the accused drove the APSRTC bus bearing number AAZ 8765 with high speed in a rash and negligent manner near Ashok Pillar without blowing horn on HN 9 road and dashed against the cyclist going ahead of bus, on account of which the cyclist fell down and the rear tire of the bus dragged him to a distance, causing grievous injuries, and later died, and the same was witnessed by the traffic police constable who was on duty near the scene of offence and thereby committed an offence punishable under section 304A IPC stop. On the said allegations, the learned magistrate took the case on file and after observing all formalities conducted trial, and during the trial the prosecution examined the traffic constable who reported the murder to the police as PW1, besides examining 8 more witnesses as PW2, 9 and exhibits P1 to P13. Stop. No evidence was adduced on behalf of the accused, but he described the incriminating evidence found against him as false. Stop. Considering the evidence adduced on behalf of the prosecution and denial of the accused, the learned magistrate, placing reliance on the evidence of PWs 1, 3 and 6, found the accused guilty of the offence punishable under section 304A IPC, convicted him and sentenced him to suffer simple imprisonment for a period of 6 months and to pay a fine of rupees 5,000 in default to suffer simple imprisonment for 3 more months. Stop. Aggrieved by the same, the accused preferred an appeal before the Metropolitan Sessions Judge Vijayawada, who made over the same to the 7 additional Sessions Judge Fast Track Court Krishna at Vijayawada, who after due hearing confirmed the conviction and sentence passed by the trial court. Stop. Aggrieved by the same, the present revision is filed contending that the judgments of the courts below are contrary to law, weight of evidence and probabilities of the case and the courts below miserably failed in arriving to a correct conclusion on the evidence accused on behalf of the prosecution and also failed to reject the evidence of PW1 Stoke.